Hi guys, Paul from Muscle Car here. Have we got a lovely little 1966 coupe for you in this beautiful, like a diamond white colour. It's had a full restoration back in its past. It was owned by a lady, Jennifer, who lived in California, and she had the car for 36 years, and we were lucky enough to buy it off of her a few years ago. The reason I say a few years ago is when it came back to England, we sold it instantly to the last owner. The last owner has a change of circumstances and he wants to sell it now, so we're in the position to be able to offer this fantastic little car again. Now, this car had a full restoration over in America, back to metal repaint. All the interior's been done. It's had the engine and gearbox rebuilt about 7,000 miles ago, so it's all been done, all ready to go, and it's got a great little specification. Come and have a look. I mean, if you have just one quick look at this, really does set it off. You've got those lovely black torque thrust American racing wheels with the Galaxy tyres, which look like they're pretty much nearly new. And that bodes really well with the rest of the chrome around the front and around the back. All the chrome's in great shape, as you can imagine. Down the side of it is absolutely straight. If you can get in down there, Grant, you can just see all the way through there is absolutely beautiful, absolutely stunning. And the paint is beautiful and smooth. There's no sort of scratchy areas. The wheel arches are sharp, not full of any filler, etc., which you can see on these cars. But really, really beautiful car. And you can tell around behind the boot, all the chrome's good, the gas cap's good. These lovely little lights, I'd imagine they have been renewed when it was restored. But just absolutely beautiful. And the interior on this car is something else as well. Really spent the money. Come and have a quick look. If you can get in here, Grant, you can have a look. It's had pretty much everything done to it. It's had a beautifully perforated high quality headlining on it, along with the sun visors. And then this interior is really expensive, this one, because you can get different grades, and this is a top grade, this particular car. It's absolutely beautiful, and the black and the white go again. Again, the last owner put this lovely center console all the way through, so you've got armrest, obviously places to put your coffee. You can see the air conditioning there. He also added the Rallye pack, which is quite an expensive extra. You have the clock and the rev counter. These were in their day, but you can get them the new ones now, and this is what this has got. Again, it's got the period steering wheel on it. If you take a look at the door cards, they're all great, they're all new. Remote mirror on this side, which I know we all take for granted nowadays, but it's nice to have these things. Stereo speakers are down here, all fitted in perfectly in the actual fascias, which is nice. Lovely Mustang overmats. The interior just is a really lovely place to be. As I say, you've got the power steering, you've got the automatic gearbox, you've got the disc brakes as well, so really you can use this as a daily should you wish to. You know, we sell a lot of these cars into London now, it seems, because you don't have to pay for all the charges up there if you have one of these. But what a great little car, you know, just fantastic. Dashboard is all new. It really is just a lovely place to be. And let's have a look underneath the bonnet and I can show you what's in there. Yeah, that really is a lovely place to be inside there. But again, paintwork all along the wings, etc., beautiful. Chrome on the front's gorgeous. And let's have a look under here. Really great sort of standard looking car under the bonnet. Satin black, of course, that was the colour that they came in. It's obviously, when it was restored, it's been done. Obviously all the engines in blue, which again was the Ford colour of this year, changed from gold to blue. Here you've got air conditioning, so this is the air conditioning here with modern air conditioning unit on it. Power steering pump is here, so you've got the power steering. You can go into there, that's obviously a relatively new servo's been put in, so you've got servo disc brakes. But again, in lovely condition all the way around, looking as it should. You know, take this car to a show, you know, be pleased to show it, you know, you'd be very proud of it, very proud of it. So a really lovely car in this gorgeous colour, and it really sets it off well. The interior and the exterior just really do make this car pop. We'll have a look in the boot, because it's been finished nicely in the boot as well. Yeah, the quality of this car, just walking to the back of it, you know, all the rain run welds are all perfect. If you have a look in the boot here, again, all been done beautifully, all inside here, all the drains, etc., just in great shape. Been carpeted all the way through, which is absolutely lovely, all down the sides, etc. really has someone spent a lot of time and money on this car, you know, getting you a car that pretty much, there's the keys, off you go and have some fun. As we say, we've known the car for a long time and we're very proud to show this car off again because it is something that someone's going to really have some great time in and enjoy themselves. So if you want to come down and take this beauty out for a test drive and fall in love with it like everyone does with this car for some reason, it's because it's such a pretty looking car, then please give us a ring on 01273 493 860. Hope to see you soon. Let's just take this for a run. It's got a lovely little overdrive as well, so which is nice.